I just want to show you a short video of my Sony direct drive turntable PS-X20. Very nice condition. We're going to also include Supertramp Breakfast in America. Very nice LP, very clean, very nice shape. You're going to receive that. You're going to get the 45 adapter. You're also going to get a Signet 3EA cartridge and stylus. Very low use, very nice condition. Has its original mat. You're going to receive a 45 adapter. We totally service this unit. Plays and operates very nicely here. Now this is a manual or full automatic turntable. Whatever you like to, use here. I'm going to show it to you in operation here, so it'll go over to your we'll turn it up and adjust it. I got to watch out for copyright here. Let me listen to it play here. Very nice condition. Direct drive. It has your repeat button on it. It has your stop, start, or you can cue it manually. Does your 45. Everything's been fully tested. Dust cover, very nice shape. It has its original cushions. 45 adapter. I just want to show you the dust cover there. Dust cover is very nice shape. All original feet on it. Let me go down through so you can see it. Very classic turntable. Any questions, please email. You're going to get Supertramp, Breakfast in America. Very nice turntable, totally serviced. Any questions, please email. Thanks for watching my video.